Hi boys and girls, we're doing lesson 6-2, arrays and expanded algorithm. We're going to use strategies and algorithms, including the standard algorithm, to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay, so we are not going to be doing the standard algorithm. We're going to still be doing the box, the area method, okay, the window. So I'm going to read my problem. It says there are 11 regular players and 5 substitute players on a professional soccer team. How many players are there in all on 15 soccer teams? So I'm going to do my cubes. And the first thing I'm going to do is circle my important numbers. I have 11 regular players, and I have 5 substitute players, and I have 15 soccer teams. Now I'm going to underline my question. How many players are there in all on 15 soccer teams? So if I rewrite my question, it's asking how many players in 15 teams? Okay. So now I'm going to go in and box in my keywords. So my keywords, I can box in how many players in all, and I can box in teams. Okay. So if I go back to my problem, it says there are 11 regular players and 15 substitute players on a professional soccer team. So the word is telling me that on one team, there's 11 regular and 5 substitute. So first, let me figure out, okay, if I have one team, how many players are there? I know there's 11 regular, and I know there's 5 substitute. Okay. So then if I add these, I get 5, 6, bring down my 1. So I know that on one team, there's 16 total players. And again, this is for one team. Okay. But it's asking how many players are there in all on 15 teams. Okay. So that was my first step. My second step is I'm going to do my 16 players, because that's for one team, and I'm going to multiply that by 15 teams. Okay, if one team has 16 players, well then how many does 15 teams have? I'm going to multiply. So when we multiply, we've been using our box. I'm going to draw that right now. And we have 4 sections in our box. Okay, once I draw my box, I need to expand 16 and 15. Okay, so I'm going to put 16 on top, 10 plus 6, and then I'm going to put 15 on the side, 10 plus 5. And I'm going to put my little multiplication to tell me that I'm going to be multiplying now. So when I multiply the top 2 boxes, I'm only focusing on this 10. I'm not using the 5. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply. I have 10 times 10. Next, I'm going to have 10 times 6. Okay, so I'm done with these first 2 boxes. I'm done with this 10. So now I'm going to go to the 5. Okay, I'm not going to be using the 10 anymore. So I have 5 times 10, and I have 5 times 6. Now I can multiply. So 10 times 10, bring down my zeros, cross them out. 1 times 1 is 1. 10 times 6, bring down my 0, cross it out. 1 times 6 is 6. 5 times 10, bring down my 0, cross it out. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 6, we should all know, is 30. Okay. Remember, the answers I get in these little boxes, these are called my partial products. I'm going to write that down. Partial products. So you know the numbers that are highlighted are my partial products. The next step I do with my partial products is I add them all, starting with the biggest number. So I have 100, 60, 50, and 30. And I add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Carry my 1, drop my 4, 1, 2. I get 240. So I can say that in 15 teams, there is a total of 240 players. In all. Okay. And that is how we multiply with two-digit numbers.